Hello everyone, it's me, Kevin. I want to say thank you for watching my videos and taking your time to leave your comment. I really appreciate all the support and the feedback I got from you guys. I'm so glad you enjoyed the content, and I promise you I'll keep working hard to create more videos for you all to enjoy. Thanks so much for being part of this community. So today I'm going to take you through how to create a report card using Microsoft Excel. So for those who are planning to be teachers or those who are teacher by profession, it's really easy for you to use this Microsoft Excel for making the report card, like let me say making tabulations. Most of the calculations we do usually use the word Microsoft Excel for doing the work. So let me open my Microsoft Excel and start the work, and I show you how to create a report card using Microsoft Excel. So let me search for Microsoft Excel. You come to more and you come to these are Excel things. So as for me, I've stored some information like concerning that report card. So come and open my Excel work. So basically I'm just going to take you through how to do this thing. Like let me start by showing you how to insert. I want to insert another column here for the grading. So we start. Let me show you how to insert. Of course I'm going to create, like let me start by getting the total. So I start with equal sign, then you put sum. Come and click here, summing from this to this. Yes. Then you come and close the bracket, shift, close. Then you press enter. So this is what we get for the total. So to get the rest, you can just come and scroll. You put the cursor here at the corner. Then you come and scroll it down. So there you get the total. For the average, what are we going to get from here? The average marks. So for getting the average, we shall use the total number. Of course, this is the total number for the first name, Mukasa Joy. So for the average, we shall use the total number. Then we divide by what? The total number of subjects. For instance, this is the total number for the first name. So this we shall get the sum of this. Then we divide by 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the number of the subjects to get the average. So we shall start with equal sign, open bracket. You put, of course, we shall get this F2. We are dividing by the total number, that is 4. Then you close the bracket and you press enter. So that is the figure. To get the rest, you bring your cursor this one to the corner on the right, then you just scroll. There it comes just automatically. So this is what you have for the average. Then for the position, we shall use the average to get the position. So for the position, you start with equal sign, of course. Equal sign. Let me say in most of all the calculations, if at all you're going to use the formula, you're supposed to start with equal sign. So equal sign. For position, we rank. So you put rank. sorry. So I'm putting rank. I'm going to use the average for ranking. Click on that. Then it has brought for me. I have to start with the number that I'm ranking. So I'm going to rank this. So you come and put a comma to take you to the reference. For the reference, of course, I'm going to start from this one, this very one, then coming down. Yes, that is it. Then you put a comma to take you to the order. So order, I'm going to use what? Descending. You can use the ascending or descending. So mine, I'm going to choose what? Descending. I put a 0. Then I come and close my bracket. You press enter, and there it comes automatically. So I come and scroll from here to get the rest. As simple as that one. Let me hope you guys are seeing it. Okay, as for the comment, you come this side. Of course, you're supposed to write the formula. You start with equal sign, then you put if. Yes, you come and put the word, the logical test. This one they're talking about, like which table. So I'm going to use one, the total, for putting the comment. So I'm going to put this on the if. Of course, if F2 is greater than, sorry, I'm supposed to, is greater than or equals to. So let me see the number. I can choose to put 240. Then after that, putting 240, I put a comma. Then I put now the value. Shift, then open another one, then I put the comment. So for those one greater than or equals to 40, I'm going to put comment as promoted to P5. So I put a comma there. Then I open another bracket. So this one, of course, I'm supposed to put what the false values. For the false value, I'm going to put repeat. So for those one who have scored, like for those one that their total mark cannot, like it's not exceeding 240, they're going to repeat before. So that is how I'm going to put my comment. After that, I come and close the bracket. After closing the bracket, then I come and close from here. Of course, that is closing the quote. Then you come and close the bracket. Shift, then you press enter. Yes. So that is it. Sorry, I think I had like put something which was not correct. So let us try again and we see. So I put equal sign. Of course, you don't get tired. F. So if. So I'm testing. If K, I'm going to use the total. If this is greater or equals to 240, then you put a comma, and now you put the statement. So I'm putting promoted to P5. After that, I put a comma. After putting the comma, no, I'm supposed to first close. I have to first close the bracket, then I put a comma. I think that was the same mistake I made last time. After putting the comma, then again, of course, now I guess you guys are learning from my mistake. So you open another one, then you put the false value as they're directing you to do. So for the false value, I'm going to put repeat P4. Of course, it means you're not qualified. Repeat P4. then I close my quotation, I come and close the bracket, so you press enter. There it comes, as simple as that. Now you come and drag for the rest to appear. Of course, if you find it's not tiresome, you can do it all. So that is what the comment. So let me show you guys like some other things, like if you want to insert like let me say for the grade, you come and put there the cursor, it must be pointing down as you're seeing mine. Then you come and right click, then you put insert, there it comes. So for the grading, you can put like for this one 630, I can choose to put grading 3. Then this one I put the pass 7. Sorry, let me grade them very fast. So I put a pass 7. Put this one in capital letter. This one is a distinction 1. This one is a distinction 2. Then this one is a credit 4. You come and do the same for this. For SST, you come and put the cursor, you make sure it's pointing down, it's like that. Then you come and right click, then you put insert, and there it comes automatic. Of course, you're supposed to write here the grade, so I'm putting it as the grade ADE. Even here I'm going to put the grade. Let me change it to capital letter. So this one having grade. Even this one the grade. Let me change it to capital letter GRADE. So that is for the grade. You come and grade this one as well. This one is grade 6. This one is also grade 6. The distinction 1, grade 6, a pass 7. This one is a pass 7. You come and do the same for math. You right click, then you come to insert. You come and write your grade RADE. So this one I'm grading it as a distinction 2. This one is a pass 7. This one is also a distinction 2. This one is a pass 8. This one is a credit 4. Let me try to add the last one is what? For English. Then I will be done with grading it all. So I come and put the grade RADE. Yes, for the first one I'm having credit 6, credit 6, credit 4, credit 6. Then this one is a distinction 1. I think I'm done with it. So let me show you how you can insert the word, the title. You come and put the word, the cursor there where you're seeing mine. Then you come and put insert. So there you can put any title that you want, but before you have to, like, let me say, remove those lines you're seeing. You come to insert. No. Yes, then you come and click inside so that you remove the lines. So you come and right click from inside, then you come to format cell. After coming to format cell, you come to text alignment. This alignment, you come and click on it to activate. Then you come to match cells, then you come and click OK, and there it disappears. So you can come and put like the heading, what you want to put. So I can say, choose to say report P4 report card for P4 class. Report card. You can change this a suitable title, of course. So put in report card for P4. So there it comes. If you want to make any changes, of course you can do it like the way you want. You click like that, then you come to center, so after that you can choose to just click on it. You make any changes that you want. You can come and change, you make it bold, array, anything that you choose. Yes. Then what next? I think what I can talk about again is what about, let me say, how to insert. So you can even use to plot a graph or a plot. You can use this data to plot either a pie chart or even a graph. So like for my case, I can decide to choose these two. Can decide to choose the name and the total. Then I come to this. I'm going to use this histogram. Then I click on this, and there it appears. So this is how you can do this thing. There you can see the graph. You can also right click on the graph, then you go and paste it somewhere. So thank you guys for following me. So catch up in my next video, but I urge you guys to like and subscribe, but don't forget to leave your comment after watching this. Thank you. Catch up in the next video.